Yeah. Wow. We love. Yeah. Sample right there. Yeah.
Put the needle to the grind. Representing more than kind, seeing eye for the grind. Look, this what I carry on, there's a further purpose. From how we do slim of you, then you wanna purchase.
Wow, we love, yeah. Big classic.
Yeah. Put the needle to the grind. Representing more than kind, seeing eye for the grind. Look, this what I carry on, there's a further purpose. From how we do slim of you, then you wanna purchase. A dialogue of funk, you love to pop it in your trunk. I weigh more discipline in the shower, Beat rock and CL, well set to spark it. The powerful target to destroy the black market. But when you say black, listen, I don't know, you lose me. I guess another beggar can't afford to be choosy. I come to the maximum, hardest on the major label. Any duplication of this one is fatal. 1.1.2.5, I gotta hit your line, beat your ass with my tape, any race or shape. Cause if they got mine, they got yours too. But together, here's what we gotta do. Yeah. You know, this is the world. That's right, yo. We got to. Everybody wants to. Yeah. It's like that. The funk legacy I pass on, currency for high rates. Every time we sample all the pastime breaks. Stick it in the SP 1200 G to make a loop. Lovely way to troop in the Lexus cool. Just a little bit, set to make a whole lot happen. The music pulled inside my rapping. Written by the CL, produced by the PR. And any credit that you heard thus far. Let's start from scratch cause the bassline's critical. Better than the original who first made it. Now you wanna sue me, the fans never owe me. Believe I know the times we've been broke too, G. Here's another sample clear, see you get the hell out of here. Like a bootlegger over for the year. You only get the credit where the credit is due. So listen, what I shout out is true. You got some talent.
Yeah. Stop the right, man. Throw back on some
Soul brother number one, here I come on the nature. That's the code back cause I'm rich, thick and chocolate. Caught up in like a bitch, you beat, rock a sprocket. Huns always ask what's the bulge in my pocket. I tell them famous. I rock the top and the bottom, never hesitate to say. I rest on the hillside, over on the chill side of town. So let's get down. Funky is the word to stop his brother on the soul. That's your wicked brother, your small soul in the soul kitchen. See I wasn't strapped so I won't be the itching. White people even say feet rockin' bitchin'. Harder than the hardest, harder than the artist. I guess that's just because I'm smarter than the smartest. So back up, clear the path home, cause here I come. Soul brother number one. When it comes to skin speed, rock out of dick, I'm not your average. Every day, 1, 2, take a leap and don't stop. What's the shit I drop? New style for the 90s, speed rocks a trendsetter. I just be lying if I said there's someone better. You can ask Greta. Greta with the red Jetta. Honey did me lovely and I'm glad that I met her. I come style after style, sucker MCs try to swallow. But them see me say my style's too hard to follow. But just raise your hand and give praise to the number one soul brother who keeps the crowd in the day, speak rock. And see how smooth, and if it ain't our groove, then you might not move. Remember, cause there's no need to worry none. Yo, Soul Brother number one.
Wow, yeah. Quick sample.
Yeah. It's all the way down, it's all the way down, it's all the way down, it's all the way, it's all the way, it's all the way down, it's all the way down, it's all the way down, it's all the way, it's all the way, it's all the way down. Circulates in the vein, think about the cracks on your brain, like a Novocaine, I try to ease any pain. Yeah, get your weight loose, I believe tension. The path to my lesson is the highway to heaven. Plus one arrest, catch another one flush. Now you got a clutch, make a game wanna blush. I start out, you can't find a line or retire. Cause none of these home fries here is all right. The way you wait with a big break, on the break, I'm like a twig. Give me beef cause I don't eat fish. Who wants the joint with the flippers in the furnace? I want life to live as the world keeps turning. More take a draw than react to contact. The blood's from my cuz I back as a black. Just like the reverend, I make you wanna jump and shout. CL Smooth got the way out. With the face of a racehorse, I cover like lip gloss. Flow with force to get your wig up, course. The honey-coated brown eyes, watch to the franchise. Notice other guys never twist this size. Bigger than life, I hit the right from the cover. You discover when my dog get the drawers off the mother. Pull a greedy Gretchen, my pet game fetching. And shot old yellow with the big Smith and Wesson. CL, a double XL, ring a bell. Supplied by the inside, never been a shell. Rowdy, the thoughts got cloudy, you choked. In the puff of smoke, lights were lit and then broke. Back and forth like the game of ping pong. I get the cypher going like Ching Chong. And glide through the system with a funk rhythm. Honey, don't pout, CL got the ring out. Like I said, that's the way. It's like that. CL, an A+, while you're with the F like the 50. With your 9 lives, this arrive here, kitty. No more to say because I'm here to keep flavor. The most common denominator said none flavor. Something with something catch a
Hold on. Easy. Yeah.
King would die. Fellow brothers and sisters.
Woo. Yeah. Sample.
South Africa, what does it mean? To burst the scene, I cover like a Philistine. War or peace, which one do you prefer? Pass me my M16 for the disaster. A visa for the treason in a jet black season. For peace, justice, and freedom for the original man. Architect of the motherland. Kings to queens is the Asiatic black plan. Re-Adamite, first to see the light. Way before Adam and Eve took flight. Bless the seed of Abraham, I came to jam. Protest the teachings of another man. Uncle Tom stayed loyal, so they boil on the alchemist with the twist from the true soil. My blood brother, a doctor on the side of me. My vision ain't blurry, so don't even lie to me. The rebirth, the revival, my culture survival. To elevate the black man is vital. You gotta realize now what we're facing. The flaws I'm facing from the anger of the nation. In the earthly stew, but the salt think it tastes better, straight up superior. Therefore, the flavor of the pepper's inferior. Incorrect though, giving some heartburn. Level of a devil, better wait your turn. And here is one recollection of imperfection. No one should be judged by complexion. Library, looking down as lies buried. The force their beliefs, the pilgrims all hurry. Television, tell a live vision, a schism, negative realism. 435 years to weak, mental death, dumb and blindness. Put us to sleep, out of the dark comes light, so the first can't be. So Armageddon comes like a thief in the night. Rednecks flex to my context, but in the project, some won't survive the next confrontation. nation. And I'm aware of segregation. Pump your black fist for the anger in the nation.
Wow. Yeah. Good sample round. Yeah, sample round. Original nigga song, I said, yeah. Yeah, that's it. Wow, big. Yeah. Old school style, look at that, wow. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Yeah.
I reminisce for a spell, or shall I say think back 22 years ago to keep it on track. The birth of a child on the 8th of October. I chose my granddaddy came sober. Count all the fingers and the toes. Now I suppose you hope the little black boy grows. Yeah, 18 years younger than my mama, but I really got beaten with the girl of drama. In single parenthood, there I stood. By the time she was 21, had another one. This one's a girl. Let's name her Pam. Same father as the first, but you don't give a damn. Irresponsible, plain not thinking. Papa said chill, but the brother keep thinking. Still he won't dare you or tear out your hide. On your side while the baby make a slide. But mama got wise to the game. The youngest of 5 kids, hun, here it is. After 10 years without no spouse, mama's getting married in the house. Listen, positive over negative for the woman a master. Know the queen's rise in the chapter.
Yeah, the song strictly vinyl. See in my
But it's
field.
so
Wow.